Eighth dimension, 8, a pair of squares. 8 is to times 2, and as such is the first cubic number after 1. As the number of vertices of a cube or faces of its dual, the octahedron, 8 is complete. At the molecular level, this is displayed by atoms, which prefer to have a full octave of 8 electrons in their outermost shell. A sulfur atom has 6 electrons, forming an octagonal sulfur ring. 8 is also the next Fibonacci number after 5. Within architecture, the octagon often signifies the transition between heaven and earth as a bridge between the square and the circle. A spherical dome often surmounts a cubic structure by way of a beautiful octagonal vault. 8 is particularly revered in the religion and mythology of the Orient. The ancient Chinese oracle, I Ching, is based on combinations of 8 trigrams, each the result of a twofold choice between a broken yin or an unbroken yang line, made 3 times. Former heaven's sequence, said to represent the ideal pattern of transformations in the cosmos. Note how each trigram is the complement of its opposite, echoing these ancient Chinese pairs called bytes, each made of 8 binary bits. In a 7-tone scale, the 8th note is the octave, twice the pitch of the first note, and so signals the movement to a new level. This may be why, in religious symbolism, the 8th step is often associated with spiritual evolution or salvation. Spiders and crabs have 8 legs and octopi have 8 tentacles. What is the 8th dimension in string theory? According to string theory, in the 8th dimension, objects do not possess physical existence. The 7th dimension is not confined by the limitations of the 6th dimension, and countless universes may have originated from various initial conditions beyond the Big Bang theory. What is the 8th dimension in simple terms? In physics, the 8th dimension contains all other dimensions, therefore including everything. In medieval numerology, 8 signifies eternity or infinity, which leads to the next life. The Buddhists speak of the 8-fold path to enlightenment. In Christian numerology, 888 represents Christ or Christ the Redeemer.